Hey my lovely minions, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the squad. So in today's video, it is a classic library to home to library grind. But don't worry, I have sprinkled in some fun elements to keep the thing interesting. So let's dive right in. Here I am sitting in my favorite spot at the library. Honestly, if you don't get here on time, finding a good seat is nearly impossible. I did have tea and a proper breakfast this morning, but like always, by the time I even think about food, I have already turned into a hungry monster. So, apologies in advance. So, I have a few tasks on my to do list that I need to get done today. I do not like cramming too many things into it because that just makes me super anxious. Instead, I add tasks little by little and tackle them one at a time. I'll pop my to do list somewhere on the screen, you can just check it out. In between the study sessions, I love taking a little break and heading to a nearby mall, either for coffee or for some snacks, just to treat myself. It's my own little reward system for getting things done because, let's be real, we all need a little motivation. After squeezing in a bit more study time, I finally headed home. But the grind wasn't over yet. I still had a few tasks left on my to do list, so I got right into finishing them up. Here I am, caught in never-ending debate between maths and social studies, trying to figure out which one to tackle first. It's one of those moments where you can't decide and you end up going back and forth. It's like my brain can't pick a side, and honestly, it's a bit frustrating at the moment. But no matter what, studying is a must, right? So I decided to tackle them one by one. I decided to switch things up and change my study spot to somewhere else, hoping it would help me focus better. I have actually noticed that studying under a table lamp helped me zone in and really concentrate. So yeah, I went ahead and made this switch. And after crossing off everything on my to-do list, I went straight to a bed and crashed. There's just something about satisfaction of completing everything that feels like next level peace. I can't even explain it. It's kind of tired that feels so good. And here we are on day 2. The first stop is the bank to get a few things done. After that, I am heading straight to the library, but here's the catch. I needed to do everything quickly or else I'll be fighting for a seat over there. Guess what? There was a huge queue at the bank, but thankfully I had enough time to spare. And while I was waiting outside, I couldn't help but notice this amazing view. It was one of those moments where you just stop and appreciate how beautiful everything around you is. And here we go again. Time to tackle today's to-do list. We have got a lot to get through, but we are on a mission to check everything off by the end of the day. So let's dive right into the task. Hey guys, I'd love to know what class you are in, or are you already in college? And what's your favorite subject? Also, how do you manage to get all your tasks done in a day? What's your secret for planning your day and staying productive? Let me know in the comments, and I'm curious to hear your tips. And here I am heading home once again after another productive study session. Before heading home, I made a quick pit stop to grab some pastries for me and the neighbor, which we will be enjoying while watching the movie. A perfect little movie snack to go with the vibe. So today we had a little movie night with our neighbors, and guess guess what we watched? Minions. I absolutely love that movie. It's just too fun. I even captured this little moment to share with you all. So here's a sneak peek. So here I am attempting to make this super cinematic laptop opening scene, and let's just say it was a total fail. So I quickly switched the camera to a spot that actually works for me. Sometime you just gotta roll with it. And that glass you see, yup, it's Horlicks because my mom is on a mission to get me to drink milk every day. And let's be real, plain milk smells like something I just can't handle. So she sweetens the deal with some Horlicks to make it more tolerable. So while I was coding, I accidentally found this hidden feature on Google Colab and it's totally adorable. It made my day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.